Hi everyone, I'm going to show you step by step how to create alerts for a high probability setup in Market GPS. Take a look at the chart. What we see here is a 3-minute time frame on gold futures, and in indicators you want to make sure that you have the Market GPS alerts, but also you want to make sure you have all of the other Market GPS indicators on your chart. They work as an ecosystem. So this will only work if you have all the indicators on your chart. And you can see that we have buy and sell labels here. What we want to do is create an alert for a buy and an alert for a sell. So what we'll do is we'll go to the alerts, then I'm going to add an alert. Then I'm going to click on MGPS alerts. I want to have an alert for an MGPS long, same as chart on the 3 minutes, once per bar, and open-ended alert, and create. Now I'm going to add another alert, go to MGPS alerts, MGPS short, same as chart, once per bar, open-ended, create. So TradingView is going to send you alerts when these buy and sell labels come on. Now to make this a high probability trade, is we want to compare this with the higher time frame. So for example, I can do a split panel and make sure that on the right side, for example, I'm on the 3 minute with the alerts. And on the left side, for example, I can do a 10 minute. And if an alert comes on the 3 minute, for example, if there's a buy alert, we want to make sure that the wave on the 10 minute is green. So I want to stay out of this trade if I get a buy on the 3 minute, but the waves is red on the 10 minute. Same thing on a sell. If I get a sell alert on the 3 minute, I want to make sure that the waves are red on the 10 minute. So I don't want to have any kind of divergence. And this will allow you to have a high probability trade